we're gonna unbox. Which one first? The Disney? Let's unbox this one first. What's this one called?
This one is called Lab-Bit Series Marvel by Kid Robots. Savage Beast.
Just gonna make a mess. All right, who did you get?
Okay. Oh.
Who is it?
I don't know. Oh my god, it smells horrible!
Who is it? Open it up. Is it a rare one? Is it a
Oh
rare
my
one?
god, it's a red one. It's a red one. It's a red one. It's a red one.
Is that
it's a red one.
this evil guy here?
I don't know.
Oh,
Doc
no,
Ock.
it's not red.
Woohoo!
It's
Doc
Doc Ock.
Octopus!
That's a 2 out of 20. That's not that. That's like 1 out of 10.
He looks like Donatello.
So it's not totally rare.
He looks like Donatello.
All right. He
looks like Donatello!
Is there a knife, Sophie?
A knife.
Or
He looks
scissors?
like Donatello. No, I'll open it.
No.
But he looks
It's
like
my turn.
He looks like Donatello.
All right, thanks.
He looks like Donatello.
All right, we're gonna do the Disney one next.
Why does he look Donatello?
The Disney.
Why does he look like Donatello?
The Disney Mystery Minis.
Ooh,
Who did we get here? Let's do one at a time.
You have to open the box. This is Disney Mystery Making Vinyl Making.
All right, let's hope it's not Tinkerbell.
You won't think about that.
It comes in a bag.
What? No, I know how to open it though. I know how to open it. I know who it is. I know.
Who is it? Who is it?
It's
It's Mike.
Mike. What the?
Mike Wazowski. Which one is it?
This is the 1 out of 18 one. That's just like.
This is
hold
1
on.
out of 18.
Hold on.
1 out of 18. Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski.
All right, we've lost one of our openers.
Major. Oh, wow.
This is just like this one. Look.
What do you mean? It's
I have
just
another
like
one
this
of that. I got this Batgirl.
Let's
She's 1 out of
put-
18.
Sophie, can you see this?
This is mine.
Okay,
No.
so what he's saying is that
What
it didn't get on the camera.
What I'm saying is I got the
1 out of-
first Batgirl. That's 1 out of 18,
Okay.
and this one is 1 out of 18 too.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's because it's the most common.
I really hope I don't get
All right, let's hope we don't get another Batgirl.
no
Do
duplicates.
you want this?
It could be a rare Batgirl.
Be careful.
Ah! There's no rare Batgirl.
Yes, there
Yeah,
are.
there are.
There's 1 out of 70. I really don't want
1 out of 72 is a rare one.
Savage. Savage beast.
Be careful with those scissors.
Careful with the
They're mine.
scissors.
Hey, are you gonna show your face while you open it?
Can you see his face?
I can see his head.
Can you see our faces?
Yeah.
All
This
right,
is
what do we
going
get here?
horrible.
That's not an adjective. I mean, adverb. Adverb.
So, can you
adverb.
see my
That's not an
face?
Yes, I can see your face. You're at 3 minutes 37 seconds already. You are.
I don't care. I already have a box.
You ruined the box.
I don't want another one of these boxes, but I want to keep this box since that's a new character and that box.
Oh, keep in mind that they can't see the table.
Okay, so can they see this right here?
I can see that.
I'll tilt it.
No, no. You
Oh, heck you!
All right, let's
It's
look.
back
There
in
we go.
regular position now. Don't need to worry.
Oh,
What'd you get?
I had Joker.
Oh, a Joker. Which one is it?
It's 1 out of 24. That's
Wait, no.
stupid.
Is it?
It's 1 out of 20. Yeah, it's the one holding the stick.
Okay, well that's pretty good.
No, it's that one.
These look
That's
very
1 out of
similar.
24.
These look very
Okay.
similar. Is your eyes open? 1 out of 24.
Woohoo!
That's pretty rare.
Okay, are you gonna show it?
Well, at least it's
Okay.
not 1 out of
Show it for
18.
Oh,
No, okay.
Let me open it.
Okay.
I can't wait to see this video. We're like fighting over the.
I really hope I get Sully on. No! Savage Beast!
Why are you talking about savage?
Oh, there's a tear in this. No, I need that.
Can't wait to see this video.
You
You already
that
said that.
already.
I know, but I still mean it.
Oh, if you're wondering,
commentating?
people watching this video, that it's me, the
commentating?
camera girl.
Who's commentating?
Can you just let me do this?
He's my dad and he's my brother.
I'm older.
You're
This
older.
guy's my brother and that guy's my dad.
What do you
I
mean
thought
you're
you
older?
would know that. Let me have this.
Okay. Now can I have it to show you?
No, you can't. It's Joker.
They can't see the whole thing.
It's Joker, everybody.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Joker.
All right, put him there.
I wish I
Are
was
you
a
ready
ventriloquist.
for the Disney one?
Where's my? That's. He only got one, so I get all the glory. Yeah, heck you, Joker.
Can't wait to see.
Are you gonna put it on the box? Well, they can't see it.
Oh, they can't see it? No.
Oh, now they can.
Savage beast.
Tyler, this.
Be
I'm afraid you're gonna
careful.
poke me.
Come.
Okay, Sophie, just.
Okay, he opened the box.
How about if you destroy the box?
I want to.
Oops.
What the
All
hell?
right, all right.
Oh, I think I got a good one. I got a
How
good
do you
one.
know it's in a black bag?
Because I got a good one.
Oh, who's it gonna be? Who do you predict, Tyler?
It's Sully! Wait, is it?
Who do you predict?
I predict it's Maleficent.
Can I have it?
I
No.
predict it's Winnie.
No,
the
it's
Pooh.
Stitch. It's Stitch.
I haven't even-
It's Stitch.
Stitch? Oh, yeah, let's see.
I haven't even
It's-
seen it, but I'm gonna
It's
say Winnie
Stitch
the
or
Pooh.
Sully. It's Stitch or
I'm
Sully.
gonna say Winnie the Pooh.
But it's Stitch or Sully. I know it.
I haven't even felt it, but I'm just guessing.
I know it's Stitch or Sully. I know
I
it's
hope
Stitch
it's
or Sully.
Maleficent.
What the heck?
Tyler, just open
It's
it.
either Mickey. Ow.
Oh,
Wait, is there a
yeah.
Maleficent
Yeah, I'm gonna
with?
practice
Okay,
it.
it's not Maleficent.
Will you just open it?
Stop. We need this.
Wait, what is it? Just open it. Here, do you want me to help you?
No, he's fine. Oh my god.
You're gonna hurt. You're gonna hurt.
You didn't even cut through.
What's the crap?
Just let me do
But
it.
do not unveil the secret of the character.
Who is it?
It's Stitch! It's Stitch!
It's a 1 out of 72 one.
Oh my god, he got a red one! It's a red one! Stitch!
Okay, here, let me show
No,
you.
I'm gonna joke.
Sophie, are we all in the camera?
He's so
here?
cute.
You're in the camera.
He's so
Oh
cute!
my God. Okay, a little
He's
closer.
so
a little closer.
cute.
A little bit closer.
He's so cute!
Here, let
Oh.
me show you.
Wait.
Hi, everyone.
So it's a 1 out of 72.
No, that's not how you. Yeah.
It's the one that's all messed up. His eyes are all messed up. Oh,
Our
wow.
next video is
All
gonna
right,
be
let's pause it.
with these, everybody. Bye. Okay, time to record the next video.
Oh my goodness, that
That's
was
mine, that's
so